Here is Convertkit. So when we log into Convertkit, we're going to click on Automation. And then you're going to say New Automation. We are going to create automation, and we are going to say joins the form. So we're going to say create new form. And this is going to give us two options, form and landing page. Here you can change the name of the automation. I'm going to say test 7. You can make sure to specify, make sure to specify the name of your automations and the name of your lead magnets and the name of your landing pages, because after a while you will have a bunch of different ones. So make sure you give yourself good hints about what it is. So these are the templates, and I'm gonna scroll down and find one that I like. I'm looking for a very simple one. Let's do this one. Here we go. So this is the landing page. Here you can change the name of the landing page. Click on the little pen and say, I'm gonna say test. You can say whatever. Test 7. You can say whatever your promotion or sale or email list is about. So here I am going to change it. You just basically click on it and write whatever you want. I'm gonna say sign up to receive a free IG hacks checklist. Okay, let's say my freebie is my Instagram hacks checklist. So this is what I'm getting them to sign up for. Here, I don't want to keep it as subscribe. I'm going to say sign up. Email address is already required. And if you go here on the plus sign under the email address, you're going to be able to create another box to select first name and then click on the box that says required. Check that box. So that way you can also use the first name of your client. I like this because it gives a personal touch. So I like to collect their first names required every time. If I basically transferred my email list from somewhere else, sometimes I lose that, but I prefer to have it. So to change the picture here, you're going to click on the big picture, the box that the picture is in, and then you're going to say choose an image. If you want to download it from your computer, you're going to say choose files to upload. I'm just going to select a random picture. And let me see here. Okay, that is loading. Here we go. So that's the picture. Of course, make sure the picture you're using is the right size for the template you're using as well. But this is a test one, so I'm not going to really work on that much. You can also click on edit, and you can make some changes, and then say done, and it's going to basically upload it here for you. So, okay, if you have the free version of Convertkit, you won't be able to get rid of this. They're basically signature, logo, whatever you want to call it. But if you have the paid version, you can click on it and uncheck that box that it says show powered by link. And that is not going to show anymore. Click on the preview on top, and this is what your client is going to see when they come to your landing page. So if you like it, then click on exit preview. Make sure your landing page is short and to the point. Unless it's talking about a specific product and you need to explain, try to be short and always give them a call to action. That's what your landing page is for. So everything looks good. We're going to say save and publish. All right, so our automation, first step of our automation landing page is created. So now, basically, we're creating a funnel, and we are telling Convertkit, we're giving them commands to work on our automation. So we're going to click on the plus sign for the next step. We're going to add the next step, which is an action, and we are going to add or remove tag. All right, so here, I'm going to create a new tag and say test 7. You don't have to name the whole landing page and the tag and the email the same. I just want to do that just to be simple right now. But you can always make sure to specify what exactly these are for, so that you're not mixing it up later on when you have a bunch of different automations here. So I'm going to say test 7, create new tag, click on there, and add action. So when I said action, it gave me this box here, which means whenever someone comes to my test 7 landing page, they are going to be tagged as test 7, and I'm going to click on plus again, click on action. This time we're going to do a email sequence, because once they're tagged test 7, I want them to receive the email where there's going to be a link to the download file. So here I'm going to say link to IG hacks. That's the email. Oh, I'm sorry. Link to IG hacks. And create new sequence, add action. So now it gave me the little box with the email. That's step. I'm going to click on this to draft the email that's going to be sent. A couple of things to pay attention to. Here, once you're done with the draft, make sure to put it on active. And also, as you see, it says when to send. It is already set to after 1 day. You don't want to make your clients wait for this, right? So as soon as they sign up to your landing page, they are going to get the opt-in email to say, yes, I want to receive emails from this company, and then they need to immediately get that email. So that's why you are saying when to send, and then zero that out. That changes to immediately, and make sure to change that. When you change that to immediately, then start drafting your email. Change the subject line to whatever you want to write. I'm going to say here is your link. Okay, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to get rid of all of this. And here I'm going to say, hey. And this is how you can personalize it. When you type in, you will see the little plus sign. Click on that plus sign and say personalization, and select subscriber first name with fallback. So here it's automated to use each person's first name. If you don't have a first name for that person, it's just going to say hello. That's why we selected subscriber with fallback. If you just subscriber's first name with fallback. If you just select subscriber's first name without the fallback, it wouldn't do the hello without the name. So I'm saying click here to download your free IG hacks. So I either put these type of things in the Google Docs and make it a shareable in a shareable folder, or I put it somewhere on my website that they can just click on that link and download. So when I said click here to download, I'm going to find a link here. Let's say this, I'm going to give the whole folder. So I copied my link, then I'm going to highlight click here. If you don't want to just show the whole URL, then you can basically make a URL here from click here, highlight click here, click on the little chain sign, paste your link here. Now you have an option here. If you want to target, if you want to see who actually clicked on the link to download the freebie, then you can add another tag. So I can say here, downloaded test 7 freebie. Right? These are the things that people are not going to see. So what happens, then I'm going to see how many people are signing up and how many people are actually click on the link to download the freebie. So that's going to show me more of my engaged audience, right? So I'm going to click on create tag download test 7 free freebie and add a link. So you see it highlighted it. And when someone clicks here, they're going to get the link. Let's check. Everything looks good immediately. We're going to change this to active, like I said in the beginning. And then we are going to say save all. So our automation is ready. What's going to happen? When anyone comes to this landing page, I'm going to refer them to the landing page, obviously. And I'm going to put this landing page link on my Instagram bio, Facebook bio, wherever I want people to see. And they're going to click on this link and they're going to go to my landing page. And then they're going to sign up to my newsletter to get the lead magnet, to get the freebie. When they sign up, Convertkit is automatically going to tag them as test 7. And as soon as anyone is tagged as test 7, this email to the download link is going to be immediately sent to those people so they get their checklist. I hope this helps. This is a great way of getting your email list up and getting more and more people signing up to your email list. And this is a way to see who is engaging with what type of content you're providing. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.